Ever wondered how to build your own wine cellar? Imagine having a personal sanctuary for your wine collection, a place where each bottle can age to perfection. Today we delve into the step-by-step process of creating this haven for your beloved bottles. A wine cellar is more than just a fancy storage, it's a carefully constructed environment that ensures optimal aging conditions for wine. The first step in this process is picking the right spot. Basements are often ideal due to their naturally cool and stable temperatures. However, any space can work with the right modifications. The second step involves designing your wine cellar. This is where you can let your creativity flow. You might want a classic wooden rack layout or perhaps a contemporary metal and glass design. Regardless of your style, remember that the design should not only be aesthetically pleasing but also functional. Once you have your design, the third step is to prepare the room. This stage involves insulation and vapor barriers. Proper insulation is crucial. It maintains a consistent temperature and keeps your wine from spoiling. A vapor barrier, on the other hand, prevents moisture from seeping into the cellar. Next, we move on to the cooling system. This is the heart of your wine cellar. It maintains the ideal temperature and humidity for your wines. There are multiple types of cooling systems available, from self-contained systems to split systems. The choice depends on the size of your cellar, your budget, and your personal preference. The fifth step involves installing the wine racks. This is where your design comes to life. Ensure your racks are sturdy enough to hold your wine collection and are designed for easy access. After installing the racks, you'll want to consider lighting. Soft, indirect lighting is usually the best choice, as it does not interfere with the wine's aging process. Finally, it's time to install the door. A good wine cellar door is well insulated and sealed to maintain the cellar's temperature and humidity levels. And voila! You've just built your wine cellar. To summarize, building a wine cellar involves picking the right location, designing the cellar, preparing the room with insulation and a vapor barrier, installing a cooling system, setting up the wine racks, considering the lighting, and finally, installing the door. Remember, the key to a successful wine cellar is maintaining a consistent temperature and humidity level. With a well-built wine cellar, your wines can age gracefully and you can enjoy them at their finest. So uncork your creativity and start planning your wine cellar. You'll soon have a unique space that not only stores your wine but also showcases your personal style. In the end, the effort you put into building your wine cellar will be reflected in the quality of your wines, and that undoubtedly is worth every minute spent on this project. Cheers to your upcoming wine cellar and to the many exquisite wine moments it will host.